Hello and welcome to Travel Trader episode number 22. It's our 22nd day and we are talking a little bit about the repair strategy, this time in detail, because I was telling you about that I'm going to do one with the currency trades and I screenshotted them so I can guide you through it step by step. First of all, today's trade, so repairing was successful. We got stopped out with a total profit of 183. So we were down roughly 500 euro and we turned the minus 500 into a profit of 183. And that's the amazing thing about being able to repair these kind of trades. We entered the gold trade where we currently are a little bit in the negative, which is absolutely normal. So we wait for the big breakout again. Looking for doing something similar than we had in cocoa and make a lot of money out of it. So really looking forward to that. And now before we talk any further, let me introduce you to our repair strategy that I used in this scenario. So basically we entered the trade here, down here, and we thought it would go down further. Okay. So let's zoom in a little bit.
Zoom's not working.
Okay, obviously it's not working. Let's see if we can repair that. Okay, so let's use a manual zoom so you can see what I mean. Basically, here is where we wanted to enter it and we thought it would go down further, and obviously British pound euro did what I predicted a while ago. It wanted to go up rather than down, so we entered another position up here in order to make sure that if it would go up further we would benefit from it. So we thought at this point here that the trade or the movement of the trade will now be upwards rather than downwards, and we wanted to make our minus 400 something or nearly minus 500 euro back from here. So it started to go up and it went up further. So after one day we were minus 813 here, because every time we go up further we are losing a little bit of money while we are making twice the amount of money on our upwards movement. Then eventually today we had minus 918.50 and already 809 in our second trade that went into the upwards direction. That was when I closed the lower trade, because now I had confirmation that we are going up, and then we went up to 1071. So you can see here the lower one is gone. I closed it at minus 980. 18, and then we kept on moving upwards and I closed the other trade at plus 1101. So we made a total of 183, and that's exactly how we turned a trade that was not going into our favor, not into our direction, into a trade that actually made us money. So I hope that is helpful for you, first of all, so you're not as afraid of trading anymore, because now you see that even if something goes wrong, whether it goes wrong in the market or you did a mistake or something, there's always a way to repair it once you know what you're doing and how to do it. So even a trade that started very, very badly for us, we turned it into a profit and we eventually made money from a mistake. So that's the great news about it. So if you have any questions about it, how I do it, or how I went in, or what to do if something doesn't work out, please let me know in the comments so I can answer you. Send me a message to that for that. Looking forward to do the same with Euro US dollar. We are in a similar situation here, and I will show you another different repair strategy with another trade as soon as we have the possibility for that. So if you have a trade that doesn't work out, I will show you something different. So we have more than one repair strategy, and that's the great news about it. And then of course We don't need to repair every trade. We can always have trades that work in our favor. They work out very, very well, and we earn a lot of money about it. Tomorrow we decided to have our little charity trade. So we will have a day where we trade the markets, and whatever we earn that day will go to charity for Australia. So happy tomorrow to let you know the results. Hopefully it's a lot, depending on how much the markets are moving, what we can get out of it. But I will keep you updated on that. And yeah, hopefully we can have some more opportunities to get you a little bit more used to these kind of things, so you can implement it in your trading. Well, that's it for today. So thank you very much for watching. As I said, if you have any questions, feel free to ask them. Going on a European speaking tour, so if you're living in Germany, the Netherlands, or Austria, let me know. I can send you the link and you can get more education for free. We can see face to face, talk live. Looking forward to meet as many of you as possible. And yeah, apart from that, thank you very much for watching, and I see you again tomorrow. Bye bye.